Okay, let's do question 4, the circle analytical geometry question. Let's just try it here. They say there's a little circle here with center O, a big circle here with center GT, and they say there's a common tangent that goes through D, E, and F. And the first question it says here is that there is a point D that lies on this little circle, but it's got a y coordinate of -2. But what would the x coordinate be? Well, they give us the equation of the circle. They even tell us that, so it's x squared plus y squared equals 20, or r squared. We're looking at the radius there. If we square root that, all we have to do is take this equation. They're telling us that the y coordinate's -2, so we just put it in. We get -2 squared. Well, what is that? That's 4. Take away 4, we get 16. We square root 16, and we get +4 or -4. But hey, it's not going to be -4 over on this side. It's in this quadrant here. So that's why it has to be +4. And there's your answer. Let's see the next one. They say that there's a midpoint here, and the coordinates are 6 and 2. Well, now we know this is 4 and -2. What would the coordinates of F be? Well, if E is in the middle, then if we take the x-coordinate of F and add it to the x-coordinate of D and divide by 2, we should get the x-coordinate of the midpoint, which is 6. And same with the y-coordinates. The y-coordinate of D is -2 plus the y-coordinate of F divided by 2 should equal 2. That number that's in the midpoint there, right? E. Well, there's our equations. Let's just solve them. We go 2 times 6 is 12. We take away 4. X must be 8. And then we go 2 times 2 is 4. We add another 2. The y-coordinate must be 6. So F is just 8 and 6. And it kind of makes, if that's 4 today, it's like a reasonable sort of thing in the problem. Well, let's say that was pretty quick. Let's try 4.3. Okay, it says determine the equation of this tangent line. Well, if we want to find the equation of a line, we better go and find the gradient of the line. Well, that's not very hard. 6 minus -2, 8 minus 4, that's 8 over 4. The gradient's 2. So the equation of this common tangent, df, it must be have a gradient of 2. So we go y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The m must be 2. And the point is x is 6, and x is 8, and y is 6. We just put those numbers into that point gradient formula, and there's the line. We get 2x, we get -16, we add 6. It must be, the equation of the line must be y equals 2x minus 6.